Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So, this is our house. This is what it looks like. And check on the maps if it's in here. Location is Philippines, Lawag, Dibuanot, and go into this building and like this. So you can see our house with no security camera, but we have already one. So let's adventure to the store. Let's vlog to the store. This is the store that 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 in this is the store in 2023. Nah, that it was closed since 2024, bro. I mean 2025, bro. So let's explore the house now because we haven't explored our houses. And this is our motorcycles and Max and a Fascio and a broken e-bike. So this is our dogs named Kobe and our cat named Princessa. So this is our two turtles. They name June and July. They like each other. I have something to. And this is our bikes. This is my bike and this is my dad's bike. So Princessa is now there watching everything. So this is our solar floodlight. And this is our neighbor. And there is the sky. It looks like it's going to rain. Look, it's going to rain. And that's the store.